What's up, everybody? This your girl Alexis coming to you with another video. So today we're going to be talking about the best home business of 2018, and as you can see, it is Builderall. Builderall is the best business because of all its tools it has. Anyone can use them in their offline or online business, or if you're like a freelancer or a consultant, you can also use this as your business instead of using all these different tools. You can use them. This is an all-in-one platform. Like it says, turn your $1 million idea into $1 million business. So let's get down to it. Let's talk about why this is the best business for your business and to help other businesses. So first we have the websites. You can design your own websites, or you can design websites for people. Like I said, if you're a freelancer or if you're a consultant and you create websites, you could do that right here. You may have all kind of templates if you're into that, or if you like to create from scratch, you can also do that too. So we have websites. You also could do the Facebook if you have like Facebook Pixel or Google Pixels. There's also that. There's also, you can show you how to do that really, really easy. Then we also have the Mailing Boss, which is an email marketing and professional automation. So this is not extra. It's not something extra that you got to pay for. It's all included. It's in-house. You set up your little grow your list, set up a workflow process. You can see that in my other videos about Builderall. So, like I said, here's your flow automation that just shows on the screen for the Mailing Boss. Then we have webinars. I mean, people love to do webinars to promote their business. So it's another thing. You don't need any other streaming services. This is built into. This is in-house webinars. Facebook Messenger chatbot. This is now Facebook chatbot. Messenger chatbot is growing so fast. You better get on it. This is, like I said, this is also in-house. This is all right in-house. Facebook Messenger. You could charge people. People pay people to set this up for them and do the automation, promote an event, a sales page. You can make a lot of money doing this. Then you have the virtual education tool. So with your education tool, you show people how to do different things, such as how to fix a car. Maybe you want to show someone how to change the oil or fix a computer. So you can use this platform for that. And we also integrate with other platforms such as Stripe, Shopify, JVZoo, GetResponse. So if you don't want to change your mailing provider, you can still keep the one that you have. Then we have mock-ups. I mean, everybody wants to see what their stuff looks like before like on a computer, or not on a computer. A mock-up really is what people, you want to create videos. Like you want to create a video on something like a billboard, or you want to show your face on a street sign. You could do silly stuff like that, or you see people have stuff on like a fake computer or a fake cell phone. You do all of that because you just create visuals for your website. 3D images. 3D is slowly coming back in, virtual reality, all that stuff. So you can do 3D. You can sell these 3D images to people. Video. Video is right now. You need to be having video. So if you sell video creation services, you could do all kind of animated videos with Builderall. Floating videos. I mean, that costs a lot of money to add a floating video to your website, and you get it all included. Browser notifications. I know a lot of big businesses do that now. So you can set that up for your client to have where they notify their clients through their browser. Make stuff be locked, force people to see it. They have to share it first before they can see it. So that's something. Say if you want to be a copywriter, we have a great script generator that helps with that. So this is your start. If you want to be a copywriter, you want to sell your copywriting services, this tool can help you out too. Then we got social proof. Everybody wants proof, 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 proof. So this is a tool that you can use for social proof in your business to show people that people you're actually trustworthy. And we have sales funnels. Sales funnels. People use these all the time to sell things or to eventually sell things down the line. But mostly people are trying to get you to sell something. That's why they call it sales funnels. Whether they sell you something right then or they wait days to sell you something. So you also have a community of people that you can talk to. So you also get coupon system for Amazon, and you have a marketplace. So if you affiliates, you guys are on like JVZoo or Warrior Plus, you don't have to do that no more. You can use Builderall Marketplace. It's all in house inside there, so you can have your course or your product and sell it right there in the marketplace, and have affiliates sell it for you. I mean, this is just money, money, money. I've just showed you many ways why this works and why this is the best business. And support is awesome. Usually, you get a response that day. That day. So, like I said, and like it says on the screen, create the lifestyle you want with Builderall. You can do so many things with your business or to help someone else's business. I'm telling you, digital marketing is everywhere. You need to be online. So whether it's making websites, making sales funnels, doing videos, you have to get your presence out there. And the best way to do that is with Builderall. Like I said in the beginning, turn your million dollar idea into a $1 million business with Builderall today. So if you sign up under me, I will give you a resort, not just a vacation, a free resort vacation. So you can go to anywhere you want to go. Well, not anywhere, but some stipulations, but for most places you want to go. They'll also give you a free YouTube marketing training if you're never did YouTube, and also have a bonus for when you sign up too. But I'm not gonna tell you that I'm not gonna tell you that right now. You have to find out later once you signed up. So if you have any more questions, my email and my phone number will be in the description. So you can email me, or you can hit me up on Facebook or Instagram or on Twitter. I'm all on those. Or you can send me a message on here. It doesn't really matter. But if you have any questions, just shoot me a message. So if you like this video, like it, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. So that's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to click this link below to get more information to sign up with Builderall today. Start making money. I mean, it's you get if you want to you also get a 7 free day trial. So you get a trial to try it out. No credit card, no nothing. Try it out and see if you like it. If you don't, hey, it might not be for you. No hard feelings. But if you do, welcome to the team. That's all I have for you guys today. You have a blessed day.